Hey everyone, Gil at Camp Patton Family Compound. Got my update here for members. And don't forget to share out the information to everyone that members get these exclusive videos with a lot more information on them. So we're going to start down here at the bottom here. So this is one of the basil. It's doing great. It's really putting off nice aromas here. We have the rainbow chard here coming up here with a couple of bunching onions that are planted in around it. Then I got the other basil here, which is looking really good. I have a couple carrots planted next to it. This one here should be sprouting up here any day now. This is a cucumber that was planted 2 days ago. I chitted it and it was growing pretty good for the seeds, so I put it in there, so it should be sprouting here shortly. Over here on this side here, as you can see, look at all the carrots and onions going here. They're doing really well here. Oops, it looks like it's time for me to raise the lights up because they're already grown past the lights there. So I have to raise the lights up here. Down over here we have the cucumbers. Now on the cucumbers here, if you remember back on the other video I did, I had when I first was planting them, there were only 7 of the 8 that had sprouted when I was chitting them. Well, the last one right here, finally I was getting ready to plant one of the new seeds that I had just chitted, and it sprouted. The new seeds had sprouted, so I was getting ready to plant one in there. Started to scrape away the soil to make a hole, and all of a sudden that thing popped up. It's like, oh, okay, so it did sprout. So I had 100% germination on the cucumbers. All right, so let's go around the back side here and take a look down here at the bunching onions and lettuce that are doing down here. I have already picked a salad from the lettuce here, and it's going gangbusters here. Switch over to the other side here, and as you see, I'm not sure what's going on with the bunching onions. The bunching onions really aren't, I don't know, doing much. They got the stems up and going here, but they're, I don't know, they just seem to be going slower than normal. And from the back side here, I'm going to take a look at the shorter tomato plant. And as I got some on the shorter tomato plant here, I've got several blossoms there, and I got to grab the Q-tip over there and do a little pollinating there. And so I'm going to take on the back side here, take a look here on this one here. So here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes right there. 5 tomatoes. Yeah, so we got 5 tomatoes on the there's so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 tomatoes just on the back side here that I can see here. And we'll go around the other side and take a look at the ones on the other side. I got over 11 tomatoes that I've been able to find so far. Okay, this one here just snuck in on me right here, so that may actually be number 12. But yeah, they're setting fruit and doing pretty good. I just got done doing all these blossoms here. I went and pollinated those this morning with the Q-tip, so hopefully I'll have a lot of tomatoes coming out here, setting here within the next week. So let's go around here past all the electrical wiring for the lights. And my trying to remember which ones are which now. I moved them around. Okay, so these onions here are doing pretty good. Okay, so these here and those there are the sweet Spanish, I believe, and then these onions over here are the burgundy reds, or red burgundies. Here's the cantaloupe. Looking pretty good here on the cantaloupe here. So they're doing pretty good as well. Actually, I'm probably going to need to turn the tray around so make them grow the other way a little bit on the lights. And back over here to the front again, and take a look see how many tomatoes we got here. So this thing is almost 4 foot tall. So there's another tomato there, and another tomato off over there, right there, and then down inside here, if I can get focused right here. So I got 1, 2 tomatoes there, and then another tomato there, the big one down here, the big original one there. That's the first one. And I know there are a couple more over here that I had spotted earlier, because I'd gone around and I counted 11, and I just found another one on the other side over there, which should make number 12 that have set. But yeah, I'm going to be several more weeks here, and hopefully this one down here will be turning red here in several more weeks, and these others will be following soon thereafter, and I'll start having tomatoes from the indoors. So yeah, tonight I am actually, even that one there has actually picked up another inch since I measured it this morning, so that may be at 47 inches there. So I'm gonna have to raise the light bar again here, because I know tonight, because they do a lot of their growing at nighttime, and so tomorrow morning, if I don't raise it, it'll definitely be touching the lights again. So that's what's going on here on the indoors garden here. So go ahead and talk about this. Let people know that you can share the playlist for this to people who are not members, and that way they can start watching the stuff here. In probably about 2 weeks, I'll go ahead and make this one visible for everyone else. But right now, as members, you get earlier views on everything. So yeah, this is doing great here. Hope you guys are planning a good garden and getting food as well. All right, take care, and I will see you in the next video.